got Cesar Rivas with us here today to show off one of our latest hardware options for SoundPOS here in the Jacksonville office. So take it away.
All right, so this is the new E600 Mini. This is a crossover between a countertop unit that has two screens, right? Your user screen and your payment screen on the other side, but it can also be utilized as a portable unit. It fits in the palm of your hand, has everything you need in there, has a built-in printer. All right, so just wanted to show you a couple of things that we can do with this machine. A great machine for, merchants such as maybe a food truck, somewhere where you need to be able to utilize this, maybe a line buster unit, but also if you need it to be on a station. This actually does fit on a station, so it does have a charger and you can connect other peripherals like a cash drawer or maybe a handheld scanner as well. So I want to go ahead and run a couple of transactions on here so you can see some of the stuff that we can do on here. As you know, with our units, you can actually choose different categories in which to input your items, so it makes it a little easier to navigate. You don't have to be navigating through so many pages. In this case, we're going to go ahead and choose an Irish coffee. Now, also in this case, because this unit has a portrait screen and not landscape, you toggle back and forth between your menu screen and also your shopping cart. So you can see on here, we've added the Irish coffee. It's right there. Okay. When we go ahead and make the payment, you can choose, of course, cash, credit, any one of the payment options that you've enabled. So we're going to go ahead and choose credit in this case, so you can see the functionality of the actual payment device on the other side. All right, so I'm going to say pay. I'm going to input a credit card on here. Now this is what the customer would see on the other side. Okay, just press enter. Okay. And once the transaction goes through, on the user side, you can see whether you want to print, email, or do both. Or in this case, we're going to go ahead and print, so you can see what the printout looks like on here. Okay, now you can customize these receipts to also include even the merchant's logo at the top and whatever you want for a header and a footer, whatever lines you want on here, even if you want to include the barcode at the bottom or not. Okay. I want to go ahead and run another transaction, just showing you some of the discount possibilities on here. You can actually provide a discount for a whole purchase, or you can provide a discount for each individual item. Now you can do it either at the item product level when you put it into the system, or you can do it right at the time of ring up. So for example, in this case, we're going to do again another Irish coffee, but I'm going to do two Irish coffees. I'm going to give a 50% discount on one of the two. Okay, I go ahead and input the discount on here. You could do a cash discount or percentage. All right, and now we're going to add another Irish coffee. And you're going to see on the system two separate Irish coffee entries, one with a 50% discount and the other one with no discount whatsoever. We're going to go ahead and make a payment on here. And again, you can choose cash, credit. This time we're going to go ahead and choose cash. We're not going to print another receipt, but that's the transaction. And one more feature I want to show on here as well is we do have a customer database you can utilize. All right, so if we search for customers on the systems, we don't have any customers on this machine particularly, but you can add somebody very easily. All it requires is a first name. So if somebody is ringing themselves up and they forget their wallet, you don't even need the last name. But of course, we encourage you to try to capture as much data as possible. Now, as I'm running this transaction on here, all right, I'll do a cold brew, pumpkin spice. Now it's actually under this customer's name. But what happens if the customer forgets their wallet at the time of ringing out the order? You can go ahead and hold the order right here. I already have the customer's name on here. I go ahead and choose hold order. Okay, and now you see it clears out my cart. I don't have anything on here. Once the customer comes back, I'll go back to the same function, held orders. I'll see the order that's there. Go ahead and bring it up, and now you have it ready for payment. And again, I'll choose cash, just to say easier way, and we will not be printing. Okay, so with that, just a brief demo of some of the functions of the POS. It has many more functions, many other ways in which you can customize it for your type of business. And it really does fit a broad range of different merchants.
Awesome. Thank you.